Why did you start Qigong?
I felt like Qigong just find a way to find me because I didn't even know it existed. And once I found it, I understood it is actually part of the Chinese traditional healing system.
How did it help you?
It really helped me to stay calm and to relax my busy mind. You know, my mind never stops. And when I practice Qigong, there's nothing else. There's just emptiness. It's just me and the energy flow into my body, into my organs. I don't know how it works, but it just makes me so calm and relaxed. And I feel my whole body is in balance. And therefore my mind is very relaxed and clear. I have a clear mind. I can perceive things that normally I cannot because I'm too busy thinking about work, you know, relationships, everything, everyday life. But after practicing Qigong, it's very quiet. It's very still. I love that feeling every time after the practice. It's right now, you see, it's very quiet. So that's what I really appreciate. I feel it has a good benefit on my body and mental state as well.
So how do you practice it?
So I try to practice the usual methods that Sifu Zhouluk taught me into his form that is created step by step to move the energy.
How does it feel?
The Qi energy. I can feel something moving, but I still cannot name it.
Something moving, that's the Qi.
Yeah, I think it's the Qi.
So during practicing your Qigong, you have to calm your mind to relax?
Actually, it just happens naturally. I don't think about to calming my mind. It just happens.
Oh wow, so it happens
You just
naturally.
start practicing and somehow the energy starts flowing and you don't think about anything else. Your mind is empty. So you naturally come to yourself. You naturally become one with nature, with your body, with the flow, with the energy.
And where do you practice it?
So we usually practice in the park. That's what I love also. In this Chinese beautiful old park, surrounded, you know, with birds and trees.
Like this environment?
Yes, the
Like
old
a lot of
Hong Kong
trees.
trees. I love those. It gives you a sense of calm and peace and harmony. You know, it gives you, like you are one with nature. Like you are part of the nature. When you're surrounded, when you hear the sometimes it happens during the practice when I'm with Sifu and we are just practicing in the park. It happens that, you know, when I calm my body and put the Qi energy into my hands or to my body, into my postures, into the form, I feel that the whole environment around me just calms down. I feel like all the birds and trees and everything is one. It's in harmony with me, with my energy. Or maybe I'm getting into their energy, into the harmony of nature.
Oh, that sounds good.
Yeah, that sounds amazing.
Yeah, it sounds like, okay, it's healing the world. It's like healing the human body.
I really think so.
Yeah.
I really think so, Tony. It can heal the world. It can heal the individual. Like, if we all heal individual, we're healing each other because we are interconnected. Me and you are connected, and me and the trees are connected. We are connected to the animals, to the universe, to the energy. So I feel if we heal each other, if we heal ourselves, we really can heal the world.
So you recommend to the other people?
Of course. My ultimate dream would be if everyone can practice Qigong. Every time I'm getting better person. I'm getting closer to my higher self, closer to the person I really want to be, or the person I always been. somewhere inside, you know.